Okay, in this activity, I'm going to show you how to use generative AI to quickly analyze a research report or article and identify the research gaps. Now you can achieve the same result by actually carrying out a literature review. You can review 10 research journals, 15 research journals, 20 research journals. However, the process will be longer than using AI. So to speed up the process, I'm going to show you how to use AI to quickly analyze the electronic journal article and then identify the research gaps to speed up your research process. Okay, here we go. Firstly, I'm going to open ChatGPT. And then I'm going to type the prompt. As you can see here, I've already typed the prompt to communicate with the AI. So AI, I'm giving the persona or role model to the AI. So I'm instructing the AI to act like a researcher from the National Research Institute. So you're a researcher at the National Research Institute. You're carrying out a study on the impact of generative AI usage on students' learning in Papua New Guinea schools. Review this research article and identify the research gaps. Okay, so I'm going to upload the electronic journal article. So upload it from my computer. Okay, the article is stored on the desktop, so go there and scroll up and down to check. Okay, this is the one. Cheating in the age of generative AI. Huh? So I'm going to upload it. Okay, the file is now uploaded to ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on the submit button and allow the AI to analyze the research article for research gaps. Okay. Okay, it took a few seconds for ChatGPT to analyze the article and then identify the research gaps. Okay, there are about 8 research gaps here. First one is limited geographical scope. Second is lack of longitudinal data on AI adoption. 3, absence of qualitative insights. 4, focus on high schools only. 5, no analysis of teacher and institutional responses. 6, ethical and cultural perceptions of AI use. 7, limited investigations of AI literacy levels. 8, no examination of AI detection tools. Now let's say if you were to do this one manually by doing it yourself, you might miss out some of these research gaps. So the AI accurately identified those 8 research gaps. Now these are the areas that are not properly covered by the current research or existing research that was conducted by this researcher. So your job is to go through here and pick up one research gap that you're going to use as to do your new research on. So you can create a new research topic on one of these research gaps. Okay. So I can continue by iterating by typing a new prompt and then ask the AI to continue where it left off. So I'm going to ask the AI to suggest research topics for me. So I'm going to write suggest suggest 8 research topics based on these research gaps. So suggest 8 research topics based on these research gaps. Okay, so I'm going to click on submit button. Okay, excellent. ChatGPT came up with 8 research topics based on those 8 research gaps. First one reads the impact of generative AI on academic integrity in Papua New Guinea schools. 2. Longitudinal study on generative AI usage among students in Papua New Guinea. 3. Understanding teachers and administrators' responses to generative AI in Papua New Guinea. 4. Cultural and ethical perspective on AI-assisted learning in Papua New Guinea. 5. AI literacy and responsible usage among students in Papua New Guinea. 6. The effectiveness of AI detection tools in preventing AI-assisted cheating in PhD schools. 7. Exploring AI usage across different education levels, primary, secondary, and tertiary institutions in Papua New Guinea. 8. The role of generative AI in enhancing learning versus promoting cheating, a case study in Papua New Guinea. Now, your job is to select one of these that you prefer to use as your research area or topic. So let's see. Okay, I've decided to use number 1 topic. So I'm going to iterate again by prompting the AI to use number 1 as my selected topic, and then I'll ask the AI to help me with the research questions. Alright, so here I'm going to go down and type another prompt. I have selected topic 1. Create 5 research questions on topic 1. Okay, so I'm going to ask the AI to create 5 research questions on topic 1. That's the topic that I've selected. Okay, so I'm going to ask the AI to do that. Alright, this is topic 1 that I've selected, the impact of generative AI on academic integrity in Papua New Guinea schools. And here are the 5 research questions. Now, it's very important to know the difference between research questions and data collection questions. This one is for you as a researcher. Data collection questions are for respondents. You use the data collection questions to collect data. that will come later. Okay. Now, if I'm satisfied with these 5 research questions, then I'll continue. If not, I'm going to iterate again by refining my prompt and ask the AI to improve the research questions. But let's say that I'm satisfied, so I'm going to ask the AI to generate data collection questions. Let's see. Create a survey questionnaire that consists of 10 choice items and 4 open-ended items. Okay. Create a survey questionnaire that consists of 10 choice items and 4 open-ended items. So it's more like a mixed mode type of research that they're going to carry out. So the choice items are mostly quantitative open-ended questions, those text data. So they come under qualitative research. Okay. So I'm going to click on submit button, and the AI should generate the survey questionnaires for me. Okay, within few seconds, ChatGPT has created a well-formulated research survey questionnaire for me. So I asked for 10 choice items and 4 open-ended items. So you can see here, yeah, those are the 4 open-ended questions or items here, and 10 choice items for the user to select the best response. Okay, if you are satisfied with this survey questionnaire, then you can copy and paste it into a Word document. Or you can prompt the AI to quickly generate the survey questionnaires using Microsoft Word. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one and paste it into Microsoft Word document. Okay, there you are. You can after that you can read through and then make changes if required, or add a few more questions. Okay, so you can see that the AI is can speed up the research process by quickly identify research gaps for you, and even generate research questions as well as data collection questions as well, or survey questionnaires. Okay, I hope this little activity is helpful to you, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you.